This is it! Platform 9! Train to Brighton! Come on, it is leaving in 2 minutes!
Dad, are you sure this is the right train?
Emma, I have been taking trains for 30 years. Platform 9, Brighton train. I am absolutely sure.
Perfect. We are on time. I am an excellent planner.
Dad? Brighton is by the sea, right?
Yes, of course.
So, why are there mountains outside the window?
Oh,
Dad, what does it say?
it says Edinburgh.
Edinburgh is in Scotland.
Yes, it is.
We are going to Scotland.
It is possible we got on the wrong train.
I know.
You knew?
I read the board at the platform. It said Edinburgh.
And you said nothing?
Mike, you said you were sure. You have been taking trains for 30 years. Tom, we are not going to Brighton.
Okay.
We are going to Scotland.
What?
Dad got on the wrong train. We are going to Edinburgh. In Scotland.
Scotland? We are going to Scotland? This is the best day of my life! My friends are gonna be so jealous! Oh, I went to Scotland!
Yanni, I don't know how to feel right now.
Have a biscuit, Mike. You'll feel better.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I couldn't help it. Wrong train to Scotland, that is a good one! Don't be embarrassed! I once got on the wrong plane. Wrong plane! I was going to Paris. I ended up in Portugal. Really? Really. Best holiday of my life. Sometimes the wrong way is the right way.
My name is George. I am from Glasgow. Now, where do you want to get off? I know every stop on this line.
We need to get off and take a train back to London. Can we do that?
Yes. Get off at the next station, Kirkby Fell. Small village, beautiful place. Wait 30 minutes, then a train back south.
Kirkby Fell. Right. Thank you, George. But while you wait, go into the village. There is a small cafe. Best scones in England. Maybe in the world.
Did you say food?
I said food. Tell Mary at the cafe that George sent you. She'll look after you.
There is nothing here.
Tom, look at those hills.
Oh, that is actually really nice. It is quite beautiful here, isn't it?
It is, Mike. It really is.
Sarah, I'm sorry. I was so sure. I didn't listen. I should have checked.
Mike, we are in a beautiful village that nobody planned. I think this is my favorite part of the holiday.
You know, I did plan this, actually.
Just not consciously. Come on. George said there was a cafe. Let's go find it.
Hello! Sit down! Where are you from?
London. We got on the wrong train.
Ah, you are the wrong train people. George texted me. He said 4 English people coming. They need tea and scones immediately.
George texted you? About us?
George texts me every time something good happens on that train. You are his favorite wrong train story in 3 years.
Well, I am glad we could entertain him.
Tea for everyone. And my scones, just out of the oven. 5 minutes.
Oh my God, Dad!
Yes?
Get on the wrong train more often.
The train back to London is here. Let's get on.
Dad,
Yes?
next year, can we do the wrong train again?
I don't think I can plan to get on the wrong train on purpose, Tom.
You planned this one on purpose and didn't know it. I believe in you.